The fourth user of One for All has always been a mysterious character. In My Hero Academia chapter 257, All Might researched everything that he could find about the previous users of One for All, and he compiled it into a sweet little notebook. In the words of Bakugo, there was a detailed summary of the 5th, 6th, and the 7th user of One for All, but the summary of the 4th was half finished, and when asked about it, All Might replied by saying that he is worried about Deku, and he didn't want to give information that he isn't sure about. We certainly don't know what information was scribbled out of that notebook. It could be about his quirk, or his death, or perhaps his ideals. So today I will present most likely theories regarding the 4th user of One for All. First theory comes from Turtle Quirk. He is an amazing YouTuber. All credit goes to him for coming up with this theory. I stumbled upon this on Twitter, and this theory states that the 4th user of One for All quirk was Decay. To explain this theory, I first have to explain the secret of One for All. This secret will explain why the 4th user quirk is Decay. We all know Deku is the first user of One for All to unlock the quirks of previous user. In the third opening of My Hero Academia, we see Nana Shimura passing One for All to a quirkless All Might when he was a teenager, so probably around 14 to 15 years old, just before he went to UA. And we know from a flashback that when All Might was 18 years old, just before graduating from UA, Nana Shimura died by the hands of All for One, and she was using float for 4 years. We all know where I'm getting. There are two versions of her quirk. First version that she used her entire life, the second version was residing inside One for All. Deku was the first user to use that copy of float. This should go for every user including the 4th user of One for All. This may be the secret ability of One for All, the ability to duplicate quirks. This may be the ability that All Might may have figured it out in the latest chapter of My Hero Academia. Now let's get attention towards the 4th user of One for All. Whatever his quirk was, a version is inside One for All, and another version of it that he held on to. That version could have been stolen by All for One. What if the 4th user's quirk was Decay? When we look at his face, it really resembles the effect of Decay. Look at a side-by-side comparison between the 4th user's face and Shigaraki first activating Decay. You guys can see the resemblance. Before Shiggy used Decay for the first time, he was brought home by this man in a suit, and we all know that he is All for One. Nana Shimura was always worried that All for One will find her family and exploit their connections. And All for One discovered her family and did exactly what she was afraid of, by giving her grandson the terrible quirk that is Decay, that led to this war. And that's why All Might is worried about Deku, and he is trying to hide the fact that one day Deku will also unlock Decay just like Shigaraki. Decay was the quirk of the 4th user of One for All, and due to the nature of One for All, 2 copies were made. One was stolen by All for One and given to Shigaraki, and the other copy was inside One for All, which is now held by Deku. Second theory. The 4th user of One for All was a villain. You guys must be thinking, if the 4th user was a villain, why the fuck did the 3rd user give One for All to him? Let me explain. According to this theory, the 4th user of One for All was a villain, and his ideals were against All for One, just like Shigaraki and Stain. All for One didn't like that, and he could have just attacked the 4th user and his friends. And we all know all the users of One for All were noble heroes, except the 4th if we are going with this theory. As I was saying, all the past users of One for All were noble heroes, which includes the 3rd user. So he could have just rushed in to save the 4th user of One for All from All for One. But knowing that he will not be able to defeat All for One, he passes his quirk to the 4th, because he was the only one there, and the 3rd heroically dies by the hands of All for One. The 4th user of One for All obviously hated All for One for that, but his ideals and goals didn't align with the hero society, and he was an anti-hero like Stain. He wanted to become as strong as possible, and he didn't want to pass down One for All because he wanted all the power for himself. As stated by All Might, villains are not the only ones striving for power. But as the fourth becomes older and meets Daigoro Banjo, the fifth user of One for All, his ideals started changing, and he started thinking about the greater good. In his final moments, he passes One for All to Daigoro Banjo and dies by the hands of All for One. He lived as a villain but died as a hero. This is the dark truth that All Might didn't want Deku to know right now. Personally, I don't think Horikoshi will go with this theory, but nonetheless, this theory is a great addition. Third theory. The fourth user of One for All was somehow related to All for One. This theory states that the fourth user of One for All was related to All for One. And All Might didn't want to reveal that because he didn't want Deku to take this burden. All Might knows how much burden it feels because Shigaraki was the grandson of his predecessor, Nana Shimura. According to All Might, Deku is not mentally prepared to take all this. So these were the theories regarding the fourth user's quirk. I personally believe that the fourth user's quirk was decay, but do let me know in the comment section what do you guys believe his quirk is, and why All Might is hiding information about the fourth user of One for All.